Hello everyone. Welcome to GK class for class 9th. This is your book of general knowledge for class 9th. Today we are going to do page number 31. Bestsellers of the world. A bestseller is a book which is identified as extremely popular and has sold in very large numbers. Students, here are the covers of the book which have been bestsellers. You have to identify the names of the authors from the given clues. Now let's discuss some famous books written by famous writers or authors. First book is The Cat in the Hat. It is a book where an eccentric stranger who's a cat comes into the house of two young children, Sally and Sam, who are having a very dull day. Their mother is out, and when the cat comes in, he reassures the kids that their mother wouldn't mind him or his tricks. The author of this book is Dr. Seuss. Harry Potter. A story of a boy who learns on his 11th birthday that he is the orphaned son of two popular wizards and possesses unique magical powers of his own. This book was written by author J.K. Rowling. The Famous Five. It is a series of children's adventure novel written by English author Enid Blyton. The stories take place in the children's school holidays after they have returned from their respective boarding schools. Each time they get caught up in an adventure, often involving criminals or lost treasure. The Chronicles of Narnia, The Last Battle, relates the events leading up to the final battle between invading Colormans and Narnians loyal to the king, Tyrion. The Last Battle also refers to the impending end of the world, where the beings of Narnia face final judgment of Aslan's country after a final test of faith in Aslan. The author of this book was C.S. Lewis. Malgudi Days. It contains 19 short stories written by R.K. Narayan. Each chapter portrays the author as a different person in a different profession. For example, Narayan takes on the role of an astrologer, a postman, a Brahmin, a man who carves an image of God. Each story portrays a facet of life in Malgudi. The Lord of the Rings is an epic high fantasy novel written by English author and scholar J.R.R. Tolkien. The story began as a sequel to Tolkien's 1937 fantasy novel, The Hobbit, but eventually developed into a much larger work. The Tale of Two Cities, written by Charles Dickens. The novel tells the story of the French doctor Manet, his 18-year-long imprisonment in the Bastille in Paris, and his release to live in London with his daughter Lucy, whom he had never met. The story is set against the conditions that led up to the French Revolution and Reign of Terror. The Goosebumps. Vampire Breath, written by R.L. Stine, is about how Kara and Freddy get stuck in a castle and try to escape. In the beginning, Kara and Freddy break an antique cabinet. Behind the cabinet, there is a tunnel that leads to a small room. Charlie and Chocolate Factory. It is based on the writer Roald Dahl's tale. This comedic and fantastical film follows young Charlie Bucket, Freddie Highmore, and his grandpa Joe, David Kelly, as they join a small group of contest winners who get to tour the magical and mysterious factory of eccentric candy. Thank you.